Hey guys, good morning. I am on my way to Target. Well, I'm not on my way yet. I haven't even turned on the car. I literally just sat in here. But I want to chat with you guys really quick because I'm vlogging again. Here we are. You guys gave me a really great response to my first vlog back to YouTube after a while. And I have just been really motivated to continue vlogging. So I'm going to Target because we are out of cat food and I don't have tampons. I know, very glamorous, but I need those things. So I'm gonna go really quick to Target, and then my mom and I are going to the farm to get vegetables, and we're going to Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna show you guys what we get there. I can do a little grocery haul for you guys because I haven't done that in a while. And I also mentioned in a video, I also mentioned on my Instagram story that I've been doing for the last 5 days a 6-week challenge, and it's just something I made for myself. It's not like it's not like the Chloe Ting challenge. It's not really a challenge. It's genuinely just like little guidelines for myself to make me feel my best, healthiest self. And you guys all said that you would like me to share that with you. And I know I spoke about, oh sorry, my arm really hurts from holding the camera. But I know I spoke in the last video about how I've been kind of having struggles with staying healthy and taking care of my body without kind of falling into doing behaviors that I know don't make me feel good at all. And so I'm kind of on this quest for balance and to find my most healthiest self, and to view exercise and eating healthy in a way that puts health first and not body image, which is really hard, especially, well, I don't even want to say especially for women, because I think for men, like obviously the fitness industry is such a huge thing for men as well. I think it's hard for everybody. It's hard to see, you go to the gym and of course it's fine to have physical changes that you want to make. However, I want to make that shift for myself to be a primarily health first focus, and then obviously aesthetic goals can come as well. But I just want to keep it real with you guys that I'm doing my best. I'm not perfect. We live in a very vain society, and to say that body image is not a part of, it doesn't play a role in my mental health and it's not a part of my everyday thoughts would be a lie. But I'm working on it and I'm doing my best. And yeah, so anyways, like getting off on a tangent. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Target, but I figured, should I share my 6-week challenge with you guys right now and then go to Target? Yeah, I may as well. Okay. So my 6-week challenge is just kind of something, the reason why I say 6 weeks, this is something that I want to continue doing after 6 weeks, not entirely, but I'll get into why. But parts of it definitely I want to continue doing afterwards, but it's just to kind of keep myself accountable, do it alongside you guys. And I work well on a deadline, I guess I should say. Like, if I know that I have 4 weeks or 5 weeks to do something, or one day, I know that, like, okay, I really can like stay motivated, stay goal oriented in that sense. So it's not that there's an end goal to this, like the end goal isn't anything like tangible, but it's just like knowing that you completed something and kind of feeling good. And all of these things I think are going to make me feel good. So my 6-week challenge consists of being active in some way that feels good every single day, whether that be a workout or just going for a walk, or just getting in any form of physical activity. Like, it can just be walking around Target. Like, the next one is 10,000 steps a day. I'm shooting for 10,000 steps. I mean, it's not always gonna happen. It hasn't happened every single day this week. Some days I did like 7,000. But just having that goal, I have my Fitbit always on. And so just having that goal just makes it like easier to track me being a little bit more active throughout the day. And I think I feel really good and I sleep a lot better when I am physically active throughout the day. And that doesn't mean like a really strenuous workout, which some days it could be a hard workout because I love working out and I love the gym. But like today, I'm probably gonna skip the gym because it's that time of the month and she just came to this morning. So we're not feeling like the best in my belly region, but I'm still gonna aim for my 10,000 steps. I might still, like, I'm going to the grocery store and I might just go for a walk with my mom and like chat with her. My sunglasses keep falling off my face. I'm like, do I take these off? Do I leave them on? I don't know, whatever. Then I want to get 8 hours of sleep per night, which I've been doing. I go to bed every single night. I'm in bed by 9. I'm asleep by like 10 the latest, and I wake up between, I would say like 6 on a good day most days. And then today, well, it's actually today I woke up at 6. Yesterday I woke up at like 7:20. So I guess it depends, but 8 hours of sleep. 3 hydro flasks. So I have a big 40-ounce hydro flask, and I want to drink 3 of those at least per day just to stay hydrated. Again, it's a good easy way to measure how much I'm drinking. If I just drink cups of water, I'll forget, and I'm not gonna like track my water. Eat 3 healthy balanced meals and a few snacks per day. So I found myself skipping breakfast sometimes because I would go to the gym later. I wasn't in a routine, and like I would wake up, I would like dilly-dally for like hours and just drink coffee, and then I didn't want to eat anything too heavy before the gym, so I would have like a spoonful of peanut butter. By the time I got back from the gym, it was like 12:30, and then I would like eat lunch, but I was like I don't know, I was just throwing off my whole schedule. So by sleeping, getting in a good amount of sleep, going to sleep early, waking up early, I'm able to go to the gym, get it over with in the morning, feel really good after my workout, and then by like 9:30, 10, I can have a normal breakfast, and like I'm on track with, you know, eating balanced meals, and I just feel better that way. I just find that I feel more full, I feel more satisfied, and I'm able to like have more time to, I just feel like I would skip a meal. Like I would just eat random snacks, and it was not the vibe. Then I have go on a nightly walk with mom for 20 minutes. So that's something that I didn't do all this week. I did it last night for the first time. This first week I've just been easing into it. I've also found a really good routine for myself. So if you guys want to see my new healthy morning routine, my 6 a.m. quarantine morning routine, even though we're not really quarantined anymore. I mean, we're social distancing, but technically things are open here in Massachusetts. But anyways, yeah, that's that. Some rules for this challenge: we're not weighing ourselves. We are not weighing ourselves. This is not a weight loss, physical, whatever challenge. We're not tracking our calories. Delete MyFitnessPal. We're not doing that shit. There's no specific diet that you need to do or anything like that. It's just eating what feels good. You know what's a healthy balanced meal for you. You know what makes you feel good. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing, I'm not gonna tell you guys what to eat. It's kind of just like figure it out for yourselves. But again, like this is just something I'm doing until the end of August. Oh, and this is like a bonus rule: no alcohol. I spoke about in my last video how I have not been feeling so hot after I've been drinking a little bit, and that I need to really focus on what makes me mentally feel good. And I know that the anxiety that I have, I've never really like come to terms with the fact that I am a generally anxious person. In so many regards, like it's social anxiety, and just in general, like I've always been like, oh no, that I get anxious sometimes, but I don't like have anxiety. But I realize that there are certain parts, okay, I'm taking these glasses off, they keep fucking falling off my face, sorry. I realized that there are certain things that trigger my anxiety more than normal, and alcohol is one of them. And I always feel like really depressed and really like anxious and guilty the next day, not because of like, oh, I drank alcohol, like that's bad, but because of like, what did I do? Like, did I say anything stupid? Like I just, it's horrible. So I'm going to try to not drink for a little bit, and then of course, like that's why this is a 6-week challenge, and most of these things I'm going to continue doing afterwards, like getting 8 hours of sleep and drinking water and eating healthy balanced meals. But the alcohol part, like of course I think that I can learn how to, through this, I can learn how to drink socially in a way that doesn't ruin my whole next 2 days and make me feel like trash and trigger this tremendous guilt and anxiety. And I think that that's something that's going to come with time and with age. I'm 24. I'm realizing that we live in a binge drinking culture, and I don't think enough people talk about this and the fact that it's so normalized, and it's not It's not healthy. And it's like kind of just a laughing matter. Like, it's taboo to talk about in a realistic sense, but people make jokes about it all the time, which, like, I get it, but I think that there is something to be said about the fact that this kind of behavior can be really destructive and can really affect your mental health. But yeah, so anyways, it's been 11 minutes. I'm gonna go to Target. I'm not gonna show you guys what I get at Target because it's literally, actually I might, I don't know, but it's literally tampons and what's it called? Cat food. And I might get green juice because I made my own green juice last week. Well, my mommy made it for me. But oh my god, it was like hella work, hella cleanup, and yes, everything was organic. It tasted delicious, and I know where everything came from, and it's probably the best way you can do green juice. But the amount of juice I got was like a mason jar this big for like hella produce, so expensive, and the cleanup was astronomical, you guys. So I'm thinking, I saw this girl on TikTok, Caitlin Nolan. She also has a YouTube channel. I've been really liking her videos. She has a very balanced and positive outlook on healthy eating and fitness and all of that. So anyways, I saw her video and she posted about a specific kind of green juice. It's the Suja one, but it's the dark greens one, and I actually saw it the other day in the grocery store. I didn't buy it because it was the day that I was getting veggies for, like, to make my own green juice, but I actually looked at it and the ingredients were pretty decent for a pre-made, like, regular grocery store green juice. So I'm gonna see if they have it at Target. If they do, I might just pick it up just because I feel like that will be easier. Although I do want to make my own juices because it's still the best way to go, and I, like, technically I'm sitting at home, like, there's nothing, what else do I have to do? But just for the sake of maybe not having to do it every week, like, maybe I'll do it like every other week or whatever, I don't know. But I've been really loving having a green juice in the morning. It makes me feel healthy, okay? Like, I eat enough greens. It's not even that I need the green juice, it's just like, it makes me feel good. I actually like the taste. Like, I'm not bullshitting you guys. I like the taste of green juice, and again, it makes me feel healthy, makes me feel like I'm in a routine. Whatever floats your dang boat, okay? Do what makes you feel good. So anyways, keep switching hands because this really hurts, but I'm gonna listen to the new Call Her Daddy podcast because it came out yesterday, and I am gonna go to Target finally after 15 minutes of chatting with you guys. But yeah, I've been loving vlogging. I'm wearing the same Skims tank top that I wore in my last video. I'm wearing this Live in Cool hat, my little YSL purse. These are from Pretty Little Thing. My sunglasses are Ray-Bans, and then I'm wearing my little, hello, slides. Very casual, basic outfit today. I really wanted to wear sweatpants, but it's really hot, and, like, you know, we don't need all of that business being, like, extra warm. Anyways, gotta go. Okay guys, so Mom and I are on our way to Trader Joe's now. We had a bit of a crazy morning. I'm not gonna get into it because we're trying to be positive now. But we're going to the farm to get some fruits and veggies, and then we're going to Trader Joe's to get miscellaneous other things. We're having a girls' day. We're gonna spend time together and have a little dinner. My mom really wants to say hi. She looks so pretty with her hair all blown out. We're just gonna hang out. We're gonna have a girls' night. Maybe we're gonna order some takeout for dinner and just spend time together, and that's that. So I'll show you guys. I will actually do a grocery haul of all the stuff we get from the farm and from Trader Joe's when we get home. I'll show you guys all the healthy groceries we pick up and all that jazz, to maybe give you guys some ideas and inspiration on what you guys can pick up. But yeah, we're on our way. Trader Joe's bathroom swag. Okay guys, so I'm back from Trader Joe's. I am just gonna quickly lay everything out for you guys, which is gonna be a freaking hella of a job because there's so much stuff that we bought, but I'm gonna try to lay everything out for you guys so I can show you, do a little haul, and yeah, that's the plan. Okay, so here we go. This is everything we got. Well, we also got a watermelon in there, but here, some of this is healthy, some of this is not so healthy, but whatever, it's fine. So here we have coconut shrimp, ground chicken, ground beef, smoked salmon, non-dairy vanilla ice cream, This looked really good. It's a riced cauliflower bowl. It has tahini sauce, chickpeas, tofu, roasted onions. I got these veggie burgers, egg whites, maple chicken breakfast sausages, organic ketchup, some cheese. These are like cauliflower broccoli patties. So pretty much like little veggie burger things. These are gyozas, like pot sticker things. Some eggs. I don't know why my mom wanted whipping cream, but probably for some kind of recipe. These are just some shrimp, cauliflower gnocchi, Kerrygold butter, tuna, got a couple cans of this actually, black beans, goat cheese, brown rice tortillas, just for like wraps and stuff. Then we have some stir-fry veggies. This Waldorf salad, because I've for some reason been craving Waldorf salad. I've seen it a lot on Pinterest and I was gonna just make my own, but this actually looked pretty good, so I figured why not. And then we got some broccoli florets, 2 things of mushrooms. Then from the farm, we got tomatoes, like baby tomatoes, big tomatoes, and a couple cucumbers, and some strawberries. And these strawberries, I actually just washed 2 of them and ate them. They literally, first of all, they smell amazing, and they taste like the best strawberries like I've ever had. Asparagus, a head of cauliflower, broccoli slaw, 2 bags of carrots, apples, bananas, mini peppers, taco shells, and green juice. So overall, pretty good. Like, mostly healthy, some treats, but still like not too bad. Like, the worst thing we got is probably like coconut shrimp and like taco shells and like the gyozas. So overall, really good. I'm happy. I also stopped by Cumbies, Cumberland Farms, and the Western Mass girl in me is thriving. I got a little iced coffee. Guys, so I'm sitting editing this video and I realized I never closed it out after my little Trader Joe's haul, but my mom and I just had dinner. We ended up making this like little quinoa medley that we got from Trader Joe's the last time, and my mom made homemade chicken burger patties, and we just had dinner together. And then my friend Monica came over and we hung out for a little bit, and now I'm just gonna read a book, watch some YouTube videos, and chill. I FaceTimed with my friend Kristen. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did today. It was a very chill day. I had like, I don't want to get into it right now, but I had kind of a crazy morning. But everything is fine now. And yeah, I hope you guys will join me on this little 6-week challenge that I'm doing. Let me know. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys want from me. I hope you enjoyed this. I want to continue making these like more personal videos and doing vlogs and just like kind of, I'll be honest with you guys, like I have recorded multiple vlogs before the one that I just posted recently since I've been home, and I have scrapped all of them. I have, I think like 3 or 4 that I fully sat down, edited, like took the time, and I never exported them or did anything with them because I just really didn't like them, and I just get kind of like in my own head about things, and I become kind of like a perfectionist about stuff that really like doesn't matter. And I got such a good response on my last vlog, which was like a random ass video, and you guys were really loving it. So I think I'm just gonna try to kind of avoid doing that and not get in my own head about being a perfectionist and having every video be a certain kind of way, because I think that I'm like self-sabotaging. Like I could just be uploading on YouTube so much more frequently than I am, and I'm just not doing so because I'm afraid that my video content isn't up to par for some like invisible bar, some like invisible standard that I don't know, I set for myself mentally. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in the next